Hello. My flashlight on my phone is on. Oh, wait. It's 2. If you see some, it's true. I'm not lying. It's 100% true. Mine just works, but not for all. And do you know where Kuya is? Not in Gapan City, not in Gapan, but in San Isidro again. They left like yesterday. Tomorrow is Monday, then I have school again in science section. I'm eating, that's why I'm doing this. Do you know where my mom is? Not at work, but she's here on her first break. Mommy, say hi. That's my mommy. She's 28 years old. 28 years old. Episode 4, but the flood is lowering due to typhoon. Because of typhoon and Tang. Yeah, I said that in episode 3, right? It's flooded. I didn't even notice. And I actually have cookie, right? Coca. The one that they also said yesterday. Wait. Now, I have 2 teeth removed. Every time my tooth gets moved, it always blood. It always bleeds. See? I have 2 teeth removed. Again. And I think 2% or 1% of you can do this. One is writing, the other is writing. Don't notice that. Just close your eyes while I subo. I live in the Philippines, right? My phone. Not. May data plus. And last time I added a Indian PC on the chair I was sitting on, and attempt held me. I guess that increases so long that can hold me even once and and I have Minecraft. And Kuya Jay, and the one that you saw in episode 1 of me, was he always makes me download more and more games, and my phone is about to explode. Games.